In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to receive up to $600 in your trading account, guys, and you can trade right away from watching this video all the way to the end, because you don't want to miss all the information that I'm going to explain to you. How to receive up to $600 on your account ready for trading, guys, and just keep following. And before we go further, guys, I have this giveaway, guys, for you. I have a giveaway, guys, for you. I have this book, but I'm going to give this book to 3 people for free, guys. I bought this book and I'm going to give it for free to 3 people only. What do you have to do to enter this competition, guys? All you have to do, you just have to like this video, and then make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, and then just give me a comment down in this video. Just give me any comment, just write whatever you feel like you want to write on the comment, and three I'll select 3 people are going to win this type of ebook, guys. This is the best killer zone strategy, guys, and as you can see, it's one of the best strategy ever, that if you apply this strategy, guys, you'll never really gonna fail trading forex. And this for sure, this is one of the best strategy that I'm using, and I know it can beat the market so fast. And make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end if you want to be part of this. Just watch the video from start to the end without you skipping. Otherwise, if you skip, you disqualify yourself from the draw of this ebook. Let's continue, guys. There is something new here, guys, on XM. There is something new here, guys, on XM. Don't worry if you have already an account here. Don't worry, nothing changed. You should just watch the video, guys. So if you have an account, don't worry, it will work for you. If you are new, don't worry, it will work for you, guys. And let me just explain everything to you, guys. Okay, all you have to do, firstly, when you coming to this website, guys, you can use the link down in the video description, or you can just like go Google, whatever you want, guys. Just do whatever you want. All you have to do once you get to the website here, guys, is you going right here to menu and then click promotions, guys. There's something that they told me I think they called me yesterday, and we talked about it. So there is this opportunity of getting up to $600 on your account, guys. What you have to do is to deposit as little as $5, and then they will double that $5 for you. Okay, so it's simple, guys. All you have to deposit an amount between $5 to 600, and they will double that amount for you. If you deposit $5, they will give you another $5, then you have $10. If you deposit 600, they give you another 600, and you have 1,200 to trade, guys. So this is the best opportunity, guys. You can see double your deposit for full month during our Black Friday promotion, guys. It's one of the best promotion ever available, and it's running right away until the 15th of November. You probably can just grab this opportunity, guys. And I talked to them, and everything works on as they said. Everything is just great, guys. As you can see, they usually give a lot of promotions, and those people who have used my links, they have already given this no deposit bonus. Whether you withdraw or didn't withdraw, it's how it depends on how you trade. But if you didn't receive this, you can use the link down in the video description. You can get the first no deposit bonus. And if you already have an account, whether using my link or don't use my link, guys, it's up to you, guys. You're gonna receive this. So all you have to do is just come to the website, you deposit any amount between these days, and they will double the amount up to 600, guys. If you deposit 1,000, they will not double your 1,000. They can only add you a 600, because that is the maximum that they can give you. So a lot of people are doing it right now, and I know you can also do it, guys. Just deposit an amount between $5 and 600, and they will definitely just blow your mind with, and they will double that account. You can read more just by clicking this button here, the read more button here, guys, and the information will be available to you. You can read right here, guys. You get your bonus here. All you have to do is just click get your bonus, and then you sign in, and after signing in, you deposit any amount. So it's up, it's the bonus is instant. You don't have to go ask them anything. So you just have to deposit an amount from $5 to 600, and you can withdraw all profits at any time. You can withdraw all profits at any time, guys. And this is one of the best. It's one of the best. You can also go read the terms and conditions here, guys. I've read the terms and conditions always, and there is nothing really to talk about. Everything just perfect, guys. And I can tell you that because I took part in that, guys. Thank you guys for watching one of my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to go in the draw of winning that one of the best ebooks ever, guys, one of the best ebooks ever on Amazon, guys, you can just go, you can just subscribe to this channel, and you can also just like and comment, and make sure to watch the video until the end. And if you want this book also, guys, if you didn't win and want the book, you can follow the link down in the video description, guys, and probably you can also go check it out. It's very cheap. I made the price very cheap for you guys, because this is how I help you upcomings. I know my viewers are upcoming and don't have a lot of money to purchase one of the best killer zone strategies ever available on the internet. Thank you guys for watching, and see you again on the next video.